So we're going to cover setting a trap line. I start by holding the trap and the spring with my right or my dominant hand and let the trap rest on my left hand. Notice I'll pull the trap spring wire back to open the jaws of the trap. On the front side of the jaws, the trigger wire will slip around the jaws and be inserted into the square trigger. And then I wind the trap, and this is what we end up with. Snap the trap by clicking the trigger. I always unhook the trigger wire from the peg. And again, we'll start again, holding the trap spring with my right hand or dominant hand, reaching the trigger wire, lifting it underneath the trap, catching the trap jaws, sliding the square trigger forward, and then just winding the spring with my thumb and my pointing finger. And that's what we end up with. And we'll snap the trap, and we'll do it one more time. Open the jaws of the trap, lift the trigger wire up and underneath the center of the trap, let it slip over the jaws of the trap on the right side, stick it in the trigger, wind the trap, and let it go. And you'll notice that there's a lot of flex there with the trigger. One of the things that's important to note is when you insert this trap into a tunnel, you can use your thumb or your index finger to insert it, hold it forward, and that'll keep the trap from mistriggering as it's inserted in the tunnel. And that's how you set a trap line.